how to deep fry kuropok, o ano pong tawag nito. So, ayan, using a deep pan like this or any pan you want. And then, ayan, heat up the cooking oil, and if okay na yung temperature, then you put the dry kuropok, and then press down kuropok a little, and let go, press again, and let go. Use the same method until it will float. So, yan, as you can see, the kuropok already floating. That means it's done, and you can take it out from the oil and take new one to cook. So that's easy as that, guys, and how to cook this kuropok. So Chinese New Year is coming, that's why you have to fry this one. This one is one of Chinese New Year snacks. Yes. So this is my first time to fry this one, guys. So I'm having fun on it. So that's all.